Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for HoneyDue. To sign up and register for HoneyDue, the first thing to do is to download the HoneyDue application on your mobile device and tap on it to launch it open. From the first interface for HoneyDue, tap on Create a New Account. On the next page, enter an email address you would like to register your account with and tap on Confirm at the bottom. Now you'll need to check your email inbox for a verification link. Tap on Open Email App and select your email service provider's application, and you will then be able to see an email. If you don't find the email in the inbox, you can also check your spam. You can also go ahead and tap on the Enter Security Code at the bottom of the screen and type in the code that you received from HoneyDue, which is 6 digits long. Once you are done, tap on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to get to the home page. Here you'll need to type in your name, upload a profile picture, and then invite your partner to the platform. Type in your partner's name in the text box and tap Next. Enter the rest of your partner's information such as their email and tap Next. Once the invitation has been sent and the person accepts your invite, you will then be able to add them on your account. Once you are done with everything, you will now be able to end up in the activity page. HoneyDue is specifically designed for couples to manage their money together. You can now easily manage your shared money, set monthly spending limits to stay within your budget, ensure that your financial data is protected with bank-level security measures, and much more. So that is how you will be able to sign up and get started with HoneyDue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.